in these last couple of weeks, we've been talking about signs. We've been talking about the principle of the path. The principle of the path is this: your direction, not your intention, determines your destination.
I've driven down the interstate several times and seen big signs stating Jesus saved, and I thought how wonderful of someone to get the message out to those who would read it.
Okay, so I have always said the best business to get into in like a small town is making road signs.
In any town.
In any town. How many road signs do you see while driving? There's speed limit signs. There's warning to speed limit signs. There's road signs on every corner of a road.
Stop
There's
signs.
dead end signs. There's stop signs. There's warning for stop signs. There's yield signs. There's yield to yield signs. Every mile there's a sign on highways and on interstates.
Weird things to see on a road sign.
Stop! Hammer time! Accident on opposite carriageway. Quick, look!
Amarillo, this way.
You're entering Scotland. No salad for 200 miles. River ahead, which your sat-nav thinks is a road.
Warning, Little Chef 1 mile.